Jai Hind to all. Today is which day? 13th April 2020. And which day? Thursday, right? So today, first standard English medium max we are going to study, right? Part 6. Okay, today we are going to study smallest to largest number. For that, first I will explain you few hard words. Okay, HARD, hard, WORDS, words, hard words. So first one, SMALLEST, smallest. SMALLEST, smallest. Then LARGEST, largest. LARGEST, largest. Then NUMBERS, numbers. NUMBERS, numbers. Fourth one, BIG, big. BIG, big. Then SMALL, small. SMALL, small. Today we are going to study smallest to largest and largest to smallest. Okay, smallest to largest and largest to smallest. For this understanding, first I will give you one example of ladder. Have you seen ladder? See, I will draw here one ladder. Okay, see, suppose you are here, right? And you want to go here. From here to here you want to go. So how you can go? First, one step, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 and step 5, right? Means how you are going with smallest to largest number, right? Your direction is like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means this is small. How these are going? Smallest to largest number. Means 1 is a small number, whereas 5 is a big number. So same way you in smallest to largest, you have to arrange the numbers from small number to large number. Means small number you have to write first and large number you have to write last. Okay. Okay. Suppose I write 3, 8, 1. So first what you have to do? You have to first draw on the line 3, 8 and 1. Then compare them. 3, 8 and 1. Which is the small number? Think. 3, 8 and 1. Which is the small number? 1, right? So 1 cut and write first. Okay, then comma. Now 1 is already cut. So we'll not check one number, right? We'll check only now remaining two numbers. 3 and 8. Which is the small number? Obviously 3, right? So 3 cut and write second position. Now two numbers are cut. Only one remains. So directly you can write 8 cut and write here. So happen smallest to largest 1, 3 and 8. Another example. Suppose I write 9, 1 and 6. So first what you have to remember? First you have to draw underline. That you do not have to forget, right? So first we'll draw underline, right? 9, 1, 6. Now think. 9, 1 and 6. Which is the small number? 9, 1 and 6. So 1. So 1 cut and write first. Then comma. Now check. 9 and 6. Which is the small number? 9 is bigger than 6. So obviously 6 is a small number. So cut and write here. Then comma. Now only 9 remain. So 9 cut and write here. Okay. Now third number. Suppose I write 4, 2 and 3. Right? 4, 2 and 3. So first what you have to do? Underline 4, 2 and 3. Now compare them. 4, 2 and 3. Which is the small number? 2. So 2 cut and write first. Then 4 and 3. Which is the small number? 4 or 3? 3, right? So 3 cut and write here. Then only one remain, 4. So cut it and write down. Now fourth number. Suppose I write 10, 5 and 9. Right? So 10, 5 and 9. Check. Which is the small number? 10, 5 or 9? 5. So cut it and write first. 10 and 9. Which is the small number? 9. So cut and write here. Then last only one remain. So 10 cut and write here. Okay. Now I think you all understood smallest to largest. Now largest to smallest. Okay. Largest to smallest means large number write first and small number write last. Now see, okay, in smallest to largest you go here, right, from 1 to 1 2 3 4 5, right? Now you are here. Now you are going downside, see. Okay, so how you are going? 5. Then now reverse step you are taking, right? When you are going up, now you are going downside, right? So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? Now how you are going? Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 means largest number to smallest number. Now what you are doing? 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 means reverse turn, right? Going down. Okay. Okay, now we'll take examples. See, suppose I write 5, 1 and 6. So, okay, so what you have to remember? You have to first draw underline 5, 1 and 6. What you are doing here? Largest to smallest. So you have to think 5, 1 and 6. Which is the large number? Means big number which? 5, 1 or 6? 6, right? So 6 cut and write first. Then 5 and 1. Compare 5 and 1. Which is the big number? 5, right? So 5 cut and write with the second position. Now 5 cut and 6 cut. Now which remain? 1, right? So 1 cut and write here. Now another example I will take. Suppose I write 9, 3 and 7, right? So what we have to do? First draw underline, right? So 9, 3 and 7. 9, 3 and 7. Which is the large number, big number? 9, right? So 9 cut and write here. Now 3 and 7. Which is the big number? 7. So cut it and write here. Now which remain? Only 1, 3 and 3 is a small number. So write last. Okay. Now suppose I write 8, 1 and 2. So first what we have to do? We have to underline 8, 1 and 2. Now think, which is the big number? 8, right? So 8 cut and write first. Then 1 and 2. Now check. 1 and 2. Compare them. Which is the big number? Obviously 2, right? So 2 cut and write here. And then 1. So write down 1 here. 8, 2 and 1 means happen largest to smallest. Another example. Okay. 7, 4 and 9. So check. 7, 4 and 9. First draw underline 7, 4, 9. Which is the big number? 9, right? So 9 cut and write first. 7 and 4. Which is the big number? 7, right? So cut it and write here. And last, and then 4 only remain. So write down 4 here. So happen largest to smallest. 9, 7 and 4. Okay. Now I think you all understood largest to smallest. So today what we have studied? Largest to smallest, smallest to largest and largest to smallest. Smallest to largest means going up and largest to smallest means going down. Okay. Okay, now here few questions are there. Think and write the number and the number name, right? The number of wheels in a tricycle. Have you seen tricycle, right? So in a tricycle, how many wheels are there? 3, right? So to write here first number and here spelling of 3, right? 3, THREE, 3, right? Then the number of legs in a table. Have you seen table, right? Table has how many legs? 4, right? So what is the spelling of 4? F-O-U-R, 4. Then the number of eyes you have. How many eyes do you have? 2, right? So 2 write here and spelling of 2 write here. TWO, 2. The number of people with tails means how many people has a tail? No, right? People has no tails. So 0. And you know the spelling of 0. Z-E-R-O, 0. Okay. Okay. So what you have to do at home? You have to do more practice of smallest to largest and largest to smallest numbers. Okay. Thank you.